Welcome back, and today we're gonna be covering our folder which has all our policies. Company policies folder, very important one, and there is lots and lots of information. So first, let's start with the number one policy, drug and alcohol policy. Mandatory policy. Where do you get it? Well, from your third-party consortium, right? You guys use some service where you send your drivers and you're a member of their consortiums. Make sure that they provide for you drug and alcohol policy, which every driver has to sign and agree to it, and you need to maintain copy as well as giving copy for the driver. Second one, cell phone use policy. This is important. Again, signed by each driver. Give it copy to the driver. Keep it one for company record. Seatbelt policy, firearm policy, passenger policy, accident reporting policy. Also, make sure you include accident register actually for each truck and for the whole company. Also, that register should be in the folder of each truck. Well, also we have policy on equipment check and maintenance. We also have policy on rehire and termination for the company. Take home truck policy is advisable. Make sure you have one. Well, safety policy with all your safety protocols, and you can add lots and lots of information there and what exactly you are doing in your company, what you want to add, because that policy can be as long as 5 pages, and sometimes I see that policy can be very long and includes lots and lots of things, because trucking company have lots of liabilities and they want to prevent any claims from owner-operators, from drivers, and they want to make sure that they run their safety and compliance correctly. Well, also, you need to make sure you have employee acknowledgement policy, that employee receive everything and he has all the policies, he knows what he needs to do, which things like, for example, random drug and test he has to be part of, and much more. If you need, of course, templates and all the policies, you can purchase them on our website, learndispatchtoday.com. But my personal advice for you is to register for upcoming safety and compliance and IFTA training in June and July, because all of that is gonna be included with our training. Well, the bonus tip, make sure you save those folders, probably in a digital format. Some of you still have them in the paper format, but make sure you always have a backup. DOT loves when you have backup plan. So let's get organized. Let's empower our safety departments. Let's step up if you are still missing few things, and let's be audit ready together. Well, your business deserves safety, your business deserves structure, and your business deserves success. And that's what we doing with our safety and compliance training. We actually helping you to succeed in this tough and unfair industry, which we call trucking in the USA. If you have any questions, please ask. If you like the content, please like, comment, and share. And it's always me, Alex, the founder of Dispatch and Training Center, that pushy direct instructor, and that person who took very, very hard mission, change trucking for the better through education. And hopefully you can join me, and together we can succeed. Love you guys.